So in the next few weeks, we want to use the land use project as a way for you to make actual land use decision based on soil data. For this, I want you to use two soils, and you're going to find a link to the two soils at the very bottom of the first page of your assignment. If you click on this, it will take you to SoilWeb and display where these two soil orders are. And I believe we have already looked at those in class at some point in time. We're looking at the Bonner soil series up in northern Idaho and at the Greenleaf soil series down in southern Idaho. With both of these, you see the green shaded area as in what areas have been mapped as this soil, as well as the little circles here, which are the actual sample locations for which data are available. And you see that for the Bonner series, there's quite a few of those, versus for the Greenleaf, there's only one actual sample location available. Now, to actually dive into the data, you would click on the blue link right next to the soil series name, and it will take you to the Soil Data Explorer also within SoilWeb. And you have a series of tabs on top of here. The first one here is the official series description, which includes all of the taxonomic class, short description, and pedon description, as we have looked at this previously when we worked on soil taxonomy. The other part that you find in here is the lab data. Now for the Bonner series, there are 6 pedons as indicated here, and the graphs that you see here are all averaged values over these 6 pedons for this particular series. So in each one of these graphs, you get the dark blue line, which is the mean or median line, and then the shaded area, which indicates the amount of variability within the 6 pedons. To actually find the data for just one particular sample location, you would have to go down here and then find the lab ID or pedon ID for the assigned soil series. For our Bonner series, it is this one, 86P0336. And you can go over here and click at these NASIS reports. And the most interesting one, for the moment anyways, is the primary one. If you bring this up, now you see the actual data sheet, which contains quite a bit of information in it. And it's going to take us a little while to interface with this and to mind meld with the amount of data that's in here. And you're expected to work on this on your own. But if you do have questions about it, feel free to put them in the discussion board or email me or call me, or we can work on this together. It's not, you don't have to work out everything on your own. So in here, you find a lot of information. You find the layer and horizonation, the horizon description, the depth of these horizons. You find the field texture characterization, and you also find sand, silt, clay, rock fragment characterization for all of these. And as you keep going down, you find bulk density, water content, and I shall say this is not water content per se, but it's water content at specific tension values. So at 33 kilopascals, field capacity, 1500 kilopascals, permanent wilting point. You'll find further down nutrient and soil chemistry characterizations, pH of soils, and so forth.